Step into the 2007 Honda Odyssey. This 8-passenger van just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Honda are offered, including delay-off headlights, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, front dual-zone air conditioning, heated door mirrors, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.